Hello, it's Tuesday, July 31st, 2012, and I'm Tony Christopher with the Daily Outlook from UFX Markets. We start with Wall Street. Stocks fell on Friday as the EU crisis came back to the center of attention as fears regarding the need for a bailout of Spain rose. The debt fears overshadowed better than expected earnings reported by General Electric and Google. The Dow Jones declined by 0.93%, Nasdaq by 1.37%, and S&P 500 dropped by 1.01%. The US dollar gained versus most of the majors as stress regarding Spain's debt problem spurred demand for the safety of the dollar. The Eurozone's fourth largest economy, Spain, may need a rescue due to the large debt and inability to rise from the crisis with no bailout. The euro fell to its lowest level in 2 years versus the dollar and its lowest level in 12 years versus the yen as investors turned to safer assets following Spain's bailout plan. The euro dollar is almost at oversold levels according to the daily chart and the RSI indicator, which means a fast bounce upwards could occur soon. Today, consumer confidence is expected unchanged with minus 20. British pound now. The cable finished lower versus the dollar as the economy continues showing signs of a slowdown. Technically, the pound dollar wasn't able to cross above the strong resistance at 1.5740 and is currently heading downwards towards the 1.5450 support level. Turning to the Canadian dollar now. The commodity-linked Canadian dollar declined versus the greenback as crude prices declined and risk aversion rose. The pair wasn't able to remain below the 1.01 level and is currently heading upwards to 1.03 again. Finally, in commodities, gold finished unchanged at $1,582 an ounce. Gold is trading in a symmetrical triangle according to the 4-hour chart, and the breakout is near. Gold's trend is bearish unless it rises above $1,600. Crude oil declined by 1%, closing at $91.20 a barrel as economic conditions in Europe seem to continue deteriorating. Technically, oil has been rallying for the last 2 weeks, but is currently retracing. Oil is still considered bullish as long as it's trading above the $90 level, and the rally can continue this week up to $100. Well, that's it for today. I'm Tony Christopher for the Daily Outlook. Be sure to find out more at ufxmarkets.com.